Today, I'm going to be installing this nice ARC intercooler. Super rare piece. Not much people run it. Probably because it's so expensive. Alright, so I had to take this piece off. Just grind it down, sand it a little bit, make it a little shiny. It very much goes on the hanger. So you just gotta swap this piece over to the ARC. This one's, the ARC already has one. Okay, now I just gotta take these little O-rings out. You pretty much push the center. See how it's, there you go. You push the center of this metal O-ring out, then let everything seat in place. There you go. Pull that out, and then you should be able. There you go. Just gotta squeeze it a little. Bam. So this goes into the new. It's right there. Swap that O-ring over there. Should be good to go. This is the comparison. So I'm just gonna swap over the rubber grommet bushing. I already put anti-seize on it. See that? Alright, I could just tighten that with a wrench. Little grommets. This is the little metal that goes in between it. One in. I'll put this little ring in the center of that. And then one side is done. On to the next one. Okay. Both the bushings are in. Look at the quality on the ARC.